A small warning before you watch this video. It is for those who are able to see the details, the smallest details in life. And it's a little bit controversial, yeah, for sure. And also, if you spot one small detail in this video and send me a message on Instagram saying exactly what it is, I'm gonna give you a nice extra discount on the learning program. So, check it out. Hello there, my name is Tom and welcome to my YouTube channel where we talk all things trading, money and finances in general. And today it's gonna be a really fun topic. Now we're currently in Dubai for a vacation / business trip, and whenever I'm in Dubai, and we're actually moving to Dubai quite soon, whenever I'm in Dubai I start spending money on all the unnecessary things. So today I'd like to talk to you about Louis Vuitton. So I'm not a big guy on spending on stuff like Italian clothes or Louis Vuitton, especially something that is so much overpriced. But in this video, I'd like to tell you about my thoughts on Louis Vuitton. And I actually found a way how it's relevant to trading. So a really fun video. So what is a Louis Vuitton? Louis Vuitton is an Italian clothing company. It's designer, you know, super fancy, super expensive. Now the question is, why the hell is it so expensive? Why is everybody so crazy about it? Because the prices for even small things can be in thousands of dollars. So I've never had, I believe, well, I had Versace, Hugo Boss, and blah blah blah, all kinds of stuff, and Philippe Klein, but I've never had anything from Louis Vuitton. Or maybe I did, but I'm pretty sure that I didn't. So this is my first purchase in Louis Vuitton. And now I'd like to share my thoughts on it. So we can start by looking at the bag itself. Quite honestly, the bag is simply amazing. The texture, sadly you cannot really touch it in the video, but the texture of the bag is amazing compared to something like New Yorker or some, you know, Zara or H&M. The bag itself is worth some money, so it's very, very pleasant to the touch. It's got that really nice texture to it, and it's just in general a very sturdy paper bag, which is very, very nice. And the color combination, this beige, yellowish, orangish beige color with blue handles is fantastic. Now, so what do we have inside? There we got the product itself and the leather. So the leather is made out of the similar paper with the same texture, and it's really, really nice. And what this is actually the bill for the purchase. And once you open it, the first thing you see is the LV logo, which is, as I call it, the devil is in the details. So this is basically the receipt for the purchase. And the receipt itself is also simply amazing with all the details. And yeah, so that's basically the receipt here, which is a very nice thing. It's like a personal letter almost. Now we get to the product itself. The box is really, really sturdy, the same kind of texture to it, and a really nice handle to pull it open. And it pulls open very, very nicely indeed. I mean, I'm the kind of guy that I've had a lot of nice things in my life because I can't afford them. And I can say that why I'm saying this is because I actually can compare one thing to the other and the whole experience of the thing or the product. So yeah, once we open the box, then we see a really nice cloth in the color of the lining of the box. And inside here we'll have the product itself. So the cloth is quite nice. I mean, I cannot say that it's like velvet or anything, but it's just a nice touch, a really nice cloth. Now then inside there's gonna be the product itself. So this is basically what I got myself in Louis Vuitton. And I can say right away that besides the product itself, this presentation is simply amazing. And this is what Louis Vuitton is all about. This is the whole experience of getting the product. Now, as for the product itself, I always love the smell of that Italian leather. it does smell real nice. Some of the cheaper wallets, they would smell of plastic or some rubbish, but this smells of expensive leather. This actually smells almost like the interior of my Bentley. And I do love the smell in the Range Rover interiors, Rolls Royces, Bentleys, Ferraris, and blah, blah, blah. And this is the kind of smell you get from the leather. Now, inside, it is simply flawless. All the insider pockets the stitching is on point. It is absolutely bloody amazing. The zipper itself, it's a simple zipper, but I guess I cannot really tell anything about it. Now there is that logo again, Louis Vuitton, Paris, made at home. We just fucked it up, Sophia, because this is not made in Italy, this is actually made in France. And now Thomas Crollo looks like an idiot, but fuck it, yeah. It's made in France. Sorry about that, guys. See, I'm not that very professional about Louis Vuitton. So here, there is the textile enduit, whatever the name of the textile, I guess, coated fabric, cowhide leather lining. So this is basically made from a cow. And just in general, the color scheme of Louis Vuitton is pretty nice. Now, let's get to the reason why I'm showing you this and how it's relevant to trading. Now, this is the pinnacle of Italian / actually French designer clothes, and this is the pinnacle of the designer world in the clothes and accessories. And the reason why this is the pinnacle is the attention to detail. The cloth, the leather style receipt, the box, the bag, the product itself, which is absolutely bloody flawless. I'm always trying to look for imperfections because I'm a perfectionist, but this thing is bloody amazing, really, really amazing. And it is about the details. The same thing goes for trading. Now, you can either be a Louis Vuitton or you can be some $5 wallet, and the $5 wallet is the one who is gambling. He is just trading Forex, having some fundamental strategy, which is just BS and it's not repeatable on the daily basis. Now, a Louis Vuitton kind of trader is the one who uses correct and proper key market levels, uses personal trading algorithm, analyzes his algorithm, adjusts his algorithm, keeps clean trading statistics, does not rely on bullcrap like trading indicators, uses correct market data with a nice broker. So in general is very, very, very attentive to details. And this is the kind of trader who has a chance of making sustainable income and consistent profits in the markets. So this is, I mean, I treated myself to this wallet, and when I saw it and I looked at all the presentation and compared it to the amount of money that I paid for it, and this one I think it was around $700, which is quite expensive for a wallet, but I am happy with what I got. And the same thing goes for my trading. I'm happy with the way I'm trading because I know that I will be able to do it tomorrow and the day after and the week after and the month after. Sure, I might lose some money on one month, make some money on the next month, and that's normal. You cannot avoid it. You cannot be a perfect trader and always make money, but you must be very attentive to detail. There are a lot of people who will probably comment under this video being a Karen and being that hater who will say that this is just overpriced piece of shit. Well, it all comes down to the preferences and taste. However, you must be able to appreciate the details. If you are, I'm not saying that you must love Louis Vuitton, but you must be able to see the details and appreciate them because they are there and somebody spent a lot of time and money on the creation of this masterpiece. The same thing goes for trading. If you think that trading is just going out into Forex market and clicking with your mouse and making shit ton of money, or spending a few weeks or maybe a month or two trying to trade and then moving to a huge trading deposit, then you're mistaken. It's a very difficult job. Just like it was difficult for Louis Vuitton to become Louis Vuitton. So this is it for me, and yeah, I think this is it's gonna be a difficult video to handle for most of people, but please keep an open mind, rewatch this video and try to understand where I'm coming from, because I'm coming from the standpoint of a person who is very invested in the details. Wherever I go, whatever I do, I'm into details. The other day in Dubai Mall, I almost bought a $250,000 euro watch, which is Richard Mille RM029, full rose gold and diamond pave. However, since I have so much attention to detail, I'll make a separate video on it and tell you the reason why I did not buy it and what I'm gonna buy instead. Right, thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching this video. Please, once again, keep an open mind. If you still haven't watched one of my free trading webinars, then hit the link down in the description and enjoy the amazing free information that I'm sharing with the world. Best of luck with your trades, and I'll see you in the next videos.